There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Hey, divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Divas, what's up divos, what's up besties, what's up fam? It's your girl A, and you already know I'm back to slay. What's up y'all? So I hope you're all having like a really great day when you're watching my video, okay? And if you have not subscribed, what you waiting for, girl? Go ahead, subscribe. What you waiting for? Over here is all nothing but positivity. Today is the best of the best of the best for less. Now, y'all know I don't really call everybody the best of the best of the best. There's only like 3 companies that I refer to as best of the best of the best. And this is one of them, which is UNice Hair. Well, they really do care. Y'all can check them out on Amazon. Girl, I'm telling you guys, if you have never purchased a UNice lace front wig or any type of UNice hair, girl, get you one so you can thank me later. You might even want to send me a thank you card or even a gift card or even a gift. Girl, I'm up for it all. Just bring it in. But other than that, we about to jump into this. This is one of those pre-everything. You know pre-everything where you just take it out the box, throw it on your head, and go about your business for the day. That's what I'm talking about, okay? These are the wigs that stay in a lane. They come already pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-styled, pre-cut, and the best of the best of the best, pre-approved. It's 5 things, okay? Because the pre-approved is by me. Like, if I'm pre-approving this, then it's a good wig. Like, you should believe me and take my word for it, that this is definitely a good wig. Now, when I say it's pre-everything, it's definitely a pre-everything. You can definitely throw this on and go. However, some people like to do a little bit extra, and I'm one of those. I'm extra with it, girl. I might want to pluck a little bit extra. I might want to flip my curls a little bit extra. But either way, if you ain't extra, or if you are, this is the wig to get, okay? That being said, let's just get into this box and see what we got. And I already see that the hair is just definitely highlighted and cute. Okay, ready to wear. Now look at her. She is packaged. She got some blonde streaks in her, or highlights, or chunks, whatever you want to call it. She's good to go. She also comes with some tape, a melting band, edge brush. She does come with 2 HD wig caps. I do feel it has a roller in it, so it's probably the curtain bang one. Now, straight out the packaging, she ready to wear, okay? If you love these type of colors, holla if you hear me, but I like these type of colors. I like anything that got a mixture of something. Not anything, because I'd be lying if I said I like anything. I don't really like anything. It all depends on the color too and the style. Girl, I'm real picky sometimes. There is a roller in this unit. That's to keep your bangs looking nice and curled, so that way you don't have to do anything. But like I said, some of y'all are extra, and that's okay, because I'm there with you. And I just like my curls to flip another way. So I already got the hot curler on, because it's a 7x5, 24 inches, pre-cut, pre-plucked hairline, bleached for your girl, slightly bleached, not too much to where the hair is falling out, y'all, okay? It comes with an adjustable elastic band. It also comes with an adjustable strap in the nape and a comb. This one ain't drawstringing, but that's okay, though, because their wigs do fit rather nice and snug.
That's my cue.
You and me is like perfection. I've been loving our progression, but I gotta make a confession, no. Lately I've been having questions, oh. See, I've been missing your affection, and this kinda reminds me of the last one. Maybe it's time I learn my lesson, no. Maybe step back from my protection, no. Tell me, am I still your baby, or just holding on to memories and the way you used to make me crazy? Oh, did I do something wrong? Are we still going strong, or you're stringing me along? Then that's my cue. If I have to ask, then I probably already got my answer. But before I commit relationship suicide, tell me a little, reading in between the lines a little. Tell me if we lost the vibe a little. Uh-oh, let's go. Boy, that's my cue. We left it up in the air. I need you to make it clear for me. I need you to keep it real with me. I'm on your mind. I'm ready to pull up on you and show you I want you. Boy, you just do it for me. Even the homie said you suited for me, oh. But now the energy got hazy, oh. Tell me, am I still your baby, or just holding on to memories and the way you used to make me crazy? seem to shake it. I need you here with me naked. Oh, but boy, don't have me waiting. Girl, that's my cute thing. If I have to ask, then I probably already got my answer. But before I commit relationship suicide, tell me a little, reading in between the lines a little. Tell me if we lost the vibe a little. Uh-oh, let's go. Boy, that's my cute. Tell me I'm the one, I'm the only one. Something's gotta budge type of time you want. Tell me I'm the one or I'm up and gone. Yeah, touching on my body like nobody does. We lock and key every time we link up. Put some pressure on so I know you're mine. 'Cause if I have to ask you one more time, all these questions got me questioning us. Got you out here looking so suspicious. Boy, that's my cue. If I have to ask, then I probably already got my answer. But before I commit relationship suicide, tell me a little, reading in between the lines a little. Tell me if we lost the vibe. I'm quick to leave, ain't no present. If you leave me guessing, then am I really on your mind? A little, reading in between the lines a little. Tell me if we lost the vibe a little. Oh, let's go. Boy, that's my cute.
All right, y'all, look, she done. Now, y'all know I don't really do middle parts that often, you know. I always tell y'all, my head is long. So my hairline is really actually up here. But girl, I can pull the wig down further and never interrupt or disrupt my own natural hairline. So I don't really do too many middle parts, especially depending on the style and the color of the wig. So I really felt like this one was better as a side part. Plus, I also wanted y'all to know that even though this is only a 7x5, girl, you can still part her on the side and look extra cute. Who don't like to look extra cute? And who don't love a good wig? If you don't love a good wig, then I don't even know why you're here. But let me tell y'all, UNice Hair got some super duper affordable nice wigs, 100% human hair, virgin. Girl, listen, pre-everything. Girl, you can't go wrong with the everything. This wig came through. I like the highlights. The density is definitely there, 24 inches. And like I said, it's a 7x5. Yeah, true indeed, you cannot part it all the way to your ears, but I'm cool with that because all I did was just pull it back behind my ears and pull out a little piece of hair. Like, you really don't have to do much. You can still wear this up in styles. There's always a way to get around something, girl. You know what I'm saying? We women easily can finesse some hair. Amazon Prime, get your on time, girl. Who don't love a good Amazon Prime wig? Who don't love a good lace front wig? Okay, it don't even got to be a lace front. It could be a good wig. As long as it's a good wig, girl, I'm here for it. Okay, I got some things to do, and I'm pretty sure you do as well. So make sure you check out the description box. And if you've never tried a UNice wig, well, girl, I don't know what you're waiting for, because like I said, they are the best of the best of the best for less. I got to go, but if you ain't never subscribed and thumbs up my video, then go ahead and do so. But I will definitely see y'all in the next one. I love y'all. Stay diva and divalicious. Stay safe and blessed, and love you all, and I'll see y'all soon.